I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm in Praia de ROS, a beautiful beach town in the state of Santa Catarina, Brazil. Come with me and let's discover the local culture and traditions of this wonderful place. I'm sure you'll love it just as much as I do, so press the like button and leave a comment if you do. The first thing that struck me about Praia de ROS was the incredible coast and beautiful beaches. They really offer some of the best scenery and views in Santa Catarina. I'm so lucky I get to take a walk here today and share it with you. The locals here are so friendly and hospitable. I love when people from different cultures come together to share their stories and cultures with each other. This is part of the beauty that Praia de ROS offers. The beaches here are a paradise. The water is crystal clear. You can relax under the sun and take lots of great pictures. There are always so many interesting people around, always looking for interesting conversations and new experiences. The local cuisine is another highlight here. Fresh seafood, prepared in traditional ways, with some interesting local flavors, always make my mouth water. Finally, the culture in Praia de ROS is just so special. It's a mix of all the different backgrounds that the people here come from, blended together to make something unique. This kind of cultural exchange is a great way to learn about and understand different perspectives. So, this is what Praia de ROS has to offer. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next virtual tour.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.